Computer systems analysts are one of the highest in demand occupations in the international job market. There is expected to be a significant amount of employment growth for system analysts over the next 10 years. And in that period, an estimated a million range jobs should be open up. We live in a day and age of technology with devices that can do an immense range of tasks, allowing us to do things like work smarter and quicker as well as stay connected and communicate across physical boundaries or barriers. Using a broad range of knowledge and skills in data processing and network administration, computer systems analysts contribute a technological advances by implementing new or improving existing computer system in science, engineering and business. System analysts utilize information technology and business knowledge to design better computer systems and process for their clients. The analyst's primary responsibility is to understand their client's business, specifically to learn how the organization uses technology. The estimated total pay for a system analyst is $87,494 per year in the United States area, with an average salary of $80,813 per year. Hey guys, I'm Bashar. Welcome to my channel Tech Quest Learning Point. Today I'm gonna make it clear about the roles and responsibility of the system analyst. I hope you will be crystal clear about if you stay with video up to last. System analysts are responsible for analyzing, designing and maintaining computer systems and software applications. They work closely with users to understand their needs and develop solutions to meet those needs. They also collaborate with project managers, the staff and other stakeholders to ensure a successful project outcome. System analysts must possess strong analytical and problem-solving skills and be able to identify, analyze and solve complex technical problems. They must also be proficient in software and hardware tools they use to implement the solutions. Furthermore, they must have excellent communication skills to effectively communicate with users, stakeholders, and IT staff. Skills of system analyst: business analysis, system design, database design, software development, technical writing, requirements gathering, project management, debugging, troubleshooting, problem solving, data analysis, user interface design, quality assurance, documentation. Mention the major responsibilities of system analyst: analyzing existing systems and developing strategies for improving them, designing and developing new systems to meet business needs, developing and implementing software applications, writing technical specifications and user documentation, troubleshooting system errors and identifying solutions, testing systems to ensure functionality, managing system changes and upgrades, providing technical support to users, ensuring compliance with industry standards and regulation, training users on new systems and applications,